Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a garage door, and the situation they had was that the light was not coming on when the garage door button was pushed. So I was able to remove the fitting. Let me get up here so you can see. Up here, make sure you use safety. And I was able to remove the old unit. It's very precarious. Here's the old one, okay? And basically, it goes in this way. You can't mix up the pigtail ends here because one's small, one's large. And this one just snaps in here. You can tell like that. If you get something and you push it in and you pull, you can actually get it to pop out fairly simply. But you can tell that the bulb was large. Obviously, it drew too many amps or watts, and it actually melted this little area. And if you look in here, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite burnt. And you can see all of the discoloration and everything like that. So, as usual, I found one on Amazon. The black one was kind of expensive, but this white one was less than $11. And comparing it, it is exactly the same as the other one. So let's get it installed here if I can without too much fuss. So let me bring you back as soon as I get the wires connected and before I push it into place. Okay, give me a second. I got the wires installed. You can't, like I said, you can't mess it up. Small one, fat one. The back end goes in, clicks like that, and the front end with that little should just pop right in like so. And then we're gonna put in an LED bulb. And I hope that works. So, because we're gonna test it here right now to see if this thing works. If not, we gotta test it again. So let's go hit the door switch. Give me a second. I'm at the door switch. There's a light. Here we go. And that does not work, huh? All right, let's go try different bulbs on that one, okay? That was not the fix for that. So let's try again. We'll put it back down. And let's try a different bulb, guys. I put in a regular incandescent bulb and guess what? It works. Didn't tighten it in all the way, but backed out just a little bit. And there you go, guys. Looks like it's a winner chicken dinner. So thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye now.